It's important to understand the legal framework that governs a local authority's financial affairs. Here are the key pieces of legislation you should be aware of. The Local Government Act, 1972. Section 151 of this Act says that every local authority must ensure the proper administration of their financial affairs. It also requires that a specific named officer has overall responsibility for the administration of those affairs. That's why the Chief Finance Officer of a local authority is sometimes known as the Section 151 Officer. The Local Government Finance Act 1992. This Act gave councils the ability to raise council tax and business rates locally, although central government still regulates these at a national level. The Local Government Finance Act 2003. This Act allows councils to borrow money, placing trust in local government's ability to manage its own financial affairs. It's supported by the Prudential Framework, which helps a council to determine how much borrowing is prudent and affordable locally. The Localism Act 2011. This Act introduced a council tax increase cap, which is set by central government every year. A council can only exceed a certain percentage increase in council tax by holding a local referendum. To encourage innovation, the Act also granted a general power of competence, which gives councils the legal capacity to do anything that's not specifically prohibited in other legislation. Accounts and Audit Regulations 2015. These regulations include the requirement for every council to prepare annual financial statements, in accordance with proper accounting practices, which should include a narrative statement commenting on the council's financial performance. An annual governance statement, which summarises the governance arrangements of the council, must also be published every year. Councils have a responsibility to open their annual financial statements for a period of public consultation before they're approved by full council or a delegated committee. Councils also have a duty to publish their final annual financial statements, along with any external audit opinion on these, by a specified date, or provide an explanation if they're not able to do so. To watch more, visit local.gov.uk/Finance Unpacked.